number one. It's a huge one. It could stop you right now in your tracks from ever following your dream. Don't judge yourself. Don't do it. Just don't do it. There's enough people out there who are going to judge you. Why should you be one of them, right? So right now I have no glasses on, right? If you need to wear glasses, don't judge yourself and think, oh, I can't wear them. I don't look as good with them on. Oh, baloney. You need them to see. There, put them on. So just find colorful ones, change them up, get ones you like. I have discovered that when I go to an audition, I literally cannot see the script unless I have my glasses on. So I wear them. All right. So here's a story how I once judged myself so much that I stopped dead in my tracks for quite a long time. It was 1984. My grandmother had paid a huge amount of money to put my photos in one of those books. You know the kind, moms, dads. And if somebody approaches you and says, hi, I'll charge you $4,000 to put your child in this book so agents and managers can see them, don't do it. Talk to me. I can coach you. There are places to go to be seen by managers and agents. We'll talk about that in another module, but even that's not a guarantee. It's all part of an experience and training and taking a really big risk to get yourself out there. But so my grandma had paid for me to be in this book. And I was so excited. We did the photo shoot and I actually got a call for an audition. I didn't know what I was doing, but neither did anyone else. They were all young too. And I didn't even go. I judged myself so strongly that I stopped in my tracks and I didn't even go. Don't do that to yourself. The other thing is that I have constantly been up and down, up and down, up and down in size and judged myself the whole way. You know what? If you're a large person, own it, be a large person. If you're a tiny person, if your nose is large, if whatever, own it. They need people like you on TV, just like they need people who don't have those things. I have finally grown into myself and I say, when you see my reel, do you notice how many pregnant people I was playing? A few. Why? With me because I was more than a size 12. But so what? I got paid. So you be who you are. Be proud of it because you know what? No one else is you. So that is my do for this. Do be you. You can't look around the room at the audition and start to freak out and say, oh, well, this person looks this way and that person looks that way and maybe they have more experience than I do. Well, maybe you have more experience than the other 8 people sitting next to you and maybe you walk in the room and they don't even know that you are perfect for the part until they see you. And if you are trying to be something other than bring yourself to the role, you're going to cheat yourself out of it because you're not going to show them the unique things that you can bring to the character. The unique things that you bring are always the best, right? You, just like I said in that introduction module, you and 10 other people can do the exact same part and you're going to make choices. You're going to do homework on it, but you're going to make your choices. The choices that mean something to you. You're going to bring everything to it that is in your personal history. So own that. Be proud of it. And we used to ask this in graduate school. What do you do during your downtime as an actor? And our teachers would say, well, you go out and you be you. You experience life. If you have a love for the piano, you learn to play it. If you have a love for a sport, you learn to play it. And I'll tell you something, as an actor, those are all marketable skills. Everything you learn to do as an actor that becomes part of who you are becomes a marketable skill. So don't judge yourself. You are perfect, just the way you are. And trust yourself that if you follow the path of training and being ready, the job is going to be yours when it's your turn. All right, I'll see you in the next module.